عنوان متن درس 2 هست The other side of the moon. Did you know that the same side of the moon faces the earth all the time? For years and years people looked up at the moon and saw just that one side. It seemed that the other side would always be a secret. But not very long ago things changed. People knew a lot about the side of the moon they could see. They knew it had no air or water or plant life. It had tall mountains and flat places called seas. There were lots of holes in it. The holes were made by very big rocks. The rocks fell on the moon from space. Some holes were very wide. They had walls as tall buildings. But what of the moon's other side? What was it like? In 1959, a Russian spaceship went around the moon. There were no men in the spaceship, but there were cameras that took pictures of the other side of the moon. Later, other spaceships took more pictures. We saw that the other side of the moon is much like the side we see all the time, but it has more holes. It has fewer flat places. So now you know what people who lived before 1959 didn't know. You know what's on the both sides of the moon.